let's tighten up those U-bolts right there too, on this position. They're loose, I can see them. Those are loose over there, but we'll worry about those in a bit. Keep coming, yeah, 6 more inches or so. Keep coming, 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 keep coming. All right, that'll work. Okay. Keep booming out. Hit that pedal. Yeah. Swing this arm up if you can. Might be better. Yeah, we need all that extension. Keep going with it. Go until it's level. Go until it's straight with the long arm, and then bring the long